In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson L15150 printer and where you can buy it online.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The maintenance box collects waste ink during cleaning and printing. When it becomes full, the printer may stop working and show a maintenance error. Replacing the box with a new one is a simple and effective solution. This is a new maintenance box that we purchased from Alibaba, and the supported printer models are clearly listed on the package. This maintenance box with model code C9345 is sold on the Epson website for around $23. However, on websites like Alibaba and AliExpress, the price is usually between $9 and $14. Keep in mind that the box from Epson is original and more reliable in quality. Now lift the upper cover of the printer to access the maintenance box and remove it easily. Removing the maintenance box is very simple. Just pull it forward gently until it disconnects from the waste ink tube, then take it out completely. Now you can easily install the new maintenance box. Make sure it is inserted correctly into its proper position. That is it for this video. As you saw, replacing the maintenance box on the Epson L15150 is a simple process and helps prevent printer errors and keeps your device working properly. When buying a new maintenance box online, always check the correct model code and compatibility. Original Epson parts are more reliable, while cheaper options can also work depending on your needs. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.